In this video, we will show you how to use a webcam to perform facial and motion capture in inZOI. We will be using the latest version of $Mono. $Mono can use a webcam or video file as input to capture facial expressions, finger movements, and full body motion in real time. The download link can be found in the video description. Once Mono is launched, you can select the facial capture module you wish to use in the settings. For more details about the different modules, please refer to the introduction on our website. After enabling facial capture, you can check the options of Unity streaming, live link for face, and optimization for inZOI in the stream settings. At this point, the setup on the Mono side is complete. Next, in inZOI, click on the facial capture icon at the top. In the pop-up dialog, click Next until you see $Mocap, then click Connect, and you will see the Sync Success message. Then, click the motion capture icon and click Turn On in the pop-up dialog to enable motion capture. Now, you can perform real-time motion and facial capture in inZOI using $Mono. Please note that you can perform real-time capture both in Character Studio and in actual games with $Mono. In addition to full-body motion capture, $Mono also offers an upper-body motion capture mode, which is convenient for live streaming while seated at your computer. You can change the mode via the button above. In upper-body mode, the lower half of the character will remain stationary. Before starting the capture, you can perform a calibration. During calibration, ensure that your full-body posture and facial expression are relaxed. Once the countdown ends and the "Calibration complete" message appears, the calibration is finished and you can start your performance. We hope this video is helpful to you.